Welcome to the National Energy Technologies Refrigerant Improvement video. American business spends billions on cool air and find that it makes up a large part of their expensive peak hour energy expense. Our scientifically blended lubricant additive is the best way to improve the performance of their existing air conditioning or refrigeration systems, and it protects this valuable equipment. This technique will not void manufacturer warranties. It requires no new equipment or downtime and often shows an ROI well below 24 months. This additive has been found to be 1,500 times more effective than conventional refrigerant oils. Existing refrigerant oils will cause a process called oil fouling. It's a coating of oil that sticks on the inside of the freon lines. It insulates them and reduces their efficiency. In fact, ASHRAE, the American Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, states that cooling systems typically will lose 7% efficiency in the first year, 5% in the second, and 2% or more in the remaining years. Our product will correct oil fouling. It will reduce running amps, possibly even improve the running noise, the head pressure, but most importantly, it increases the delta T. The delta T is the difference between the air returning to the unit and the air supplied to the building. The larger this difference, the faster the cold air will satisfy the thermostat, and the AC simply runs less. This will save you between 7 and 15% on your cooling bills. Okay, today we will demonstrate this product on a relatively new Trane 16-SEER heat pump using a standard 410A refrigerant. We've been running our air conditioning in the house is about 76 degrees. As you can see, our outside air temperature, it's about 80 degrees. Now let's go ahead and we're going to check the delta T. First we take the temperature reading from the return. It's 69 degrees. And we're going to compare that to the supply. It's 55.5 degrees. Now, that's a 13.5 degree delta T. 15 to 18 would be much better. So let's see if we can't improve that. I want to take this opportunity to thank Scott Smith from J.A. Smith HVAC. He's here to validate our results. Scott's an experienced pro whose company maintains hundreds of cooling systems. Always hire a professional to service HVAC or professional systems. Before we treat this unit, we want to remind you that it's new. It's in operation for less than a year, and it's unlikely to have significant wear or oil fouling. We want to test the sound, about 70 decibels right now. And then we want to test the running amps.
Amps.
And we're going to go ahead and check the head pressure.
The head pressure is roughly 29 psi.
Okay. Now with the system running, we're going to go ahead and introduce 5% synthetic blend along with the existing lubricant right into the low pressure line. Hi, we're back 10 days later to test the results of our patented super air conditioning lubricant. We've attempted to find a day similar in nature as our install day and wanted to allow time for our patented product to remedy any oil fouling. As you can see, we're at outside temperature about 85 degrees. And we've cooled the house to a temperature about 76 degrees. Now let's check the delta T. Return is about 71.2 degrees. Supply is 54.8. That's a nice improvement. This is due to the reduction of oil fouling. Now let's go ahead and see what we've done outside. Okay, we're back to our compressor unit, and now let's see if we're running more efficiently. When we checked the decimal level before, we were about 70 decibels. Now we're slightly below that, 68 decibels. That's the superior lubricant at work. We're also testing the head pressure. Let's see what it reads. We're still at about 291 on the head pressure. Now let's check the running amps. There's a reduction in our running amps. That read 8.4. That means our lubricant is making this motor easier to push and therefore more efficient to run. Let's go back inside for a quick review. Now to summarize our results and quantify what we've seen in this short video demonstration. Remember that although this video is of a small installation, our technology is completely scalable and highly effective on large commercial HVAC, chiller, and refrigeration applications. First of all, as you can see, we've had a nice increase in our delta T. This is evidence of reduced oil fouling. This alone will yield considerable savings by simply satisfying the thermostat faster. Now, there's also a small decrease in the noise level, but this is what I'd like to direct your attention to, the running amps. They were down by 9.5%. That's direct evidence of our formula working. It's proof positive that a lubricant supplement directly equates to real energy savings. This building owner can rest assured that their air conditioning system will be easier to maintain, it will last much longer, and it will cost less to operate. Call National Energy Technologies for more information on this product or any of the other specific conservation applications that we endorse. We're also able to provide public speaking and green corporate counseling services. Thank you.